Hi, what's up YouTube? Right now I'm on my way to BCIC again today. I'm going to the main office down at downtown Kingston, 5 Duke Street, and I'm gonna hear what they're saying. I'm gonna ask to speak to a manager to see how can we get to the bottom of this false this insurance fraud thing. You know? The thing is, the big problem is there is a police report that said my car with my license plate was on the scene. You know, so whoever did this, it's either they have a police link who deal with this for some different type of fraud going on in Kingston still in them. Brother, not easy, you know. I don't know what going on, but like me can't pay so much money for the premium. Me and the insurance people in business and them go out behind my back go pay out money because the police say them see my car on the scene. You see me? The thing is, you know, there's a police report here. Maybe I can take this to the station and ask them how this come about and all of that. But this is that my job though? If you go through all of that? I think that's my job. So I go down now, speak to BCIC, ask him to speak to a manager, and then deal with the claims manager from this. So I can do about that, you see me? I'm gonna drive the Beamer because the Benz, the insurance, the insurance and the Benz up yesterday. Insurance and the Benz up yesterday. So I'm gonna just go do that now, and I'll let you know. I'll even vlog inside there while I'm talking to the lady or whoever the manager is to hear what they have to say. But if you're using BCIC, bro, they might put 2 accidents on it. They might just, yeah. I feel like, you know what I really feel like what my Rastaman vibrations are telling me, is that somebody made a mistake in a them company, in the BCIC. Them just, I don't know, but they made a mistake. They made a mistake, bro. And I saw them do it, saw them deal with this and now put this for me. Because they don't care. They act like them not really care. Like, I don't know why me even do business with them in the first place. Up that time, I should just go straight to the main office and see if I can do business. The reason why I even choose BCIC is because BCIC is insurance that my father used. You know? And which me did know, so I say go. Do not use them. So I'm gonna see what I can do. And I'll let you know, okay? Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe. Still, because this is YouTube and I'm a YouTuber. I'm a vlogger, baby. Yeah, thank you. Peace. Yeah, so I'm just parked going to a place here now, nearby. Brrr. Yeah, YouTube. Today was a better day than yesterday. Today this lady here, she deal with me like she's a senior claims manager. I got her card and everything. You know, she sound like she get enough money, like them a pay her well, so she do her work right way, you know. Yeah, so she make me write a letter and she send it in. She said by this week, sometimes this week they're gonna give me a call and let me know what's happening to them. What's happening about them false accidents as it relates to my Benz. But I'm still gonna drive it without insurances, you know. You know, I'm that type of nigga. Even though I can drive this, but I like the Benz. I want to drive her, you know. I don't want her to miss me too much. But what I'm trying to say is these people here down at the main office, they sound like they're getting enough money. And if I would recommend to anyone, if you're gonna use any insurance or anything, even a bank, you're gonna try to go to the main people, because the main branch, because everything have to go through the main branch. So if you're gonna deal anything, try to deal with the main branch. You know what I mean? Because yesterday when I was up by the people that I did it with, they had to call the same girl in here. She was a person that they called, and she even looked younger. Maybe she's more qualified than them. She look like she's getting more money. I think she's a senior above them. You know, she's doing her job well. She even speak properly and everything. Assertive and, you know, do the do. Right way. But it have to good for do them type of work as still like police. Cause like imagine somebody meet an accident, you didn't tell them to go meet no accident. Them come and load up them out after you. Which you don't have nothing to do about it. So you see me I say so. I'm gonna go home now. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Okay? Yo bro, I'm gonna start coming downtown more often. Cause it's nice down here. I'm gonna go come do some shopping and all of that. It's nice, you know. I just feel Jamaican in the downtown. But it's the main office is downtown. Today them they deal with me nice today. Yesterday the woman like she want me to pay the money. It's like she all try to say me I try fraud the insurance. You know like me was a part-time or something. People then use like she want me go for my tool and come use it up, you know. She want me go for my Canon and just press your card. That's she want me to walk with the Canon with one hand, you see me? And come get her a page up there yesterday. She not easy. Oh, I know this road, I don't need GPS. I know this road, I just drive straight up here. So. That's all. You know, downtown easy. Easy for remember, you know, but I just use GPS because I don't want to get lost. I come downtown all the time. All of the roads are the same. It's just one straight road, but some of them are one ways. And that's another thing. Some of them are one ways and you don't know which road is a one way from which ones aren't one ways. You know, and you don't want to make a mistake and get a ticket. You don't want to park anywhere and get your car towed. You know, so that's the reason why I be using the GPS. Oh, but this look nice. They're a nice of a place. Okay. I'm going home now. Thanks for watching. Yo bro, and one more thing. The girl that my dad talked to today, she kinda cute. You know the senior claims agent, and she look like she about my age. Look young, like she fresh out of college or something, you know? Yeah. See she eyes me too, you know. Get I know how. And she get all bubbly when just see me, I don't know if I may be a camera or a YouTube shirt, Aleko Lyttle. No, I don't think it's that. Maybe because I'm a handsome nigga. Yeah. I know what I ask. I don't know why I tell me such GPS. Easy yourself. Yeah. Should I ask her if she's single, you know, if she want me to take her to dinner. I know what I ask. I don't need no GPS. I don't need no GPS. I know what I ask. I don't even need to turn out this. In real life. I know downtown in my place. I want to them. Town me live. Boss man, he's in the dial move, so bro. Boss man, I move, so. You think boy, boss man, I move, so. You can't easy. You want to get a load and go back quick, but I move, so. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home now. Thanks for. I'm gonna turn off the GPS because I don't need it really. I know where I'm going. I'm at Heroes Circle. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, okay? Peace and love. Love and peace to all, you know? No. Yeah, so I'm back home now, YouTube, and you see, as a real nigga, bro, you gotta know when a girl a try look you like when she want a man, you know, she do something, she act different and them things. You see me, she a smile with and them things more, and a lot of other things, you know. Sometimes they can be wrong, sometimes she might just be friendly, you know. I don't know, sometimes they just be playing around, you know. They just want some attention. You see me? When they do that. Yeah. Because truth be told, bro, so a lot of these girls, them don't have no sex. Because they're waiting on a real nigga to give it up to. But sometimes the real niggas be busy doing other stuff, like trying to get rich and all of that. So the real niggas can't really get around to them to do that because they have to make time for them and all of that. You know? So that sometimes some of them girls have the vibrator them are using them things. Them don't get no Rasta man on them front line on the liver. So yeah. I'm here. I'm just gonna see if I can eat a mango. I bought some mangoes, some East Indian mangoes yesterday. I'm gonna have one of them right now. Drink some water and chill for a bit. And see what happens for the rest of the day, okay? Yeah, so make sure you like the video. If you haven't liked it already, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what type of videos you want to see or anything. Just comment something, bro. If you're watching the video, just comment something. Just say, hey, this is nice, or give me just leave an emoji or anything. Just comment, leave a comment, okay? And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and share the video with a friend or a family member. Tell them to come and subscribe. Yeah. And if you can, if you like a video so much you want to watch it over, just watch it over. I really like the Mobe vlog. The vlog that the epic adventure to Montego Bay. I like that vlog. I don't know why, but I really like that vlog. And I think you should watch it if you haven't watched it already, or if you have watched it already, I think you should watch it again because it's my favorite video so far, you know. Yeah, thanks for your continued love and support. I appreciate it. I can feel it. And yeah, I look out for more videos soon. Okay, peace.